this video I'm going to show you how to install hard drives on the Dell XPS 9100, which you see right here. The first thing you have to do is remove the two screws that are holding the case, the side panel in place. That would be these two screws, one here and one there. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver to get it out, just like that. Just slide it out after that. Just hold it here with both hands. What I'm gonna do, just slide it out. Just comes right out like that. Get this out of the way. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this graphics card bracket. Let me lay this flat on the ground. It's pretty heavy. Quite heavy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up. And I'm going to take the graphics card bracket out, because it's kind of like obstructing the hard drive. The hard drives would go here, one there, and another there. I'm gonna put two hard drives, so let's take this out with the Phillips head screwdriver. And I want to remove these screws as well. There's 4 hard drive screws, which I need to use to install my 2 hard drives. So you just take this out like that, just tilt it, and then just, it's like a small hook holding this in place. Just gotta remove it like that. It goes into those 2 slots. Now it's removed. And I want to put this SATA cable into the motherboard. I don't know if you can see that or not. But there's the SATA port right there. That's what I'm going to put. Where I'm going to put it. The SATA cable. Just goes in one way. And now that's in. Next thing I want to do is I want to put the hard drive in. So it goes in this way. As you can see, that's the rear. That's the front. The front has to go in this way. I want to remove this cable so I can get it in a little easier. Okay, the hard drive's in. One of the hard drives are in, and I'm going to get the next one. It goes in the same orientation. This is the front. That's the back, so it goes in this way. So I'm going to screw it in first. Let me take out those 4 hard drive screws. one. Okay, now I'm going to put the screws in. So what you have to do is you just have to align the holes that are on the hard drive to the mount holes here, and then you just screw it in. Don't put it in too tightly at first, just like kind of like align it with the screws, and then after you get both screws in, just then tighten it, but don't tighten it too tightly. I'm gonna get the next one. Align the hole with the tightening it. Okay, now all the hard drives are in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the SATA cables in. See this blue SATA cable? I'm just going to put it right here, and the next SATA cable, the one that I put in earlier. These SATA cables go in only one way. It goes in this way, as you can see, that orientation, and it just goes, just push it in. And these are the power cables for the SATA drives. Just goes in one way, just push it in, and that's it. And the next one, the same thing. Kind of awkward, let's see. The first part went in. The second part, it seems to be kind of like upside down, so check out the orientation. Okay, so it goes in this way. Gotta twist it around a little bit. You see that? Just twist it around and get it in. Let me get a flashlight. It's nighttime, it's hard to see. Maybe I should remove this first. Okay, that's the correct orientation. So it goes in this way, as you can see. That's the correct way. Easier to do when you take the SATA cable out and put in the power cable later. Okay, that's good. So next, I want to put this back in. This graphics card bracket. So it goes in this way. As you can see, I'm getting it at an angle like that. Putting it in. Putting the hooks in like that, and then tilting it downwards and aligning it with that hole right there. You just need a Phillips head screwdriver. Now that's in. I'm just going to get this bracket back on, get it back to snap in place. You just snap it in and that's it. So everything's in. Just going to make sure everything is, all the cables are in there securely. I forgot one cable. I forgot the one that I took out earlier. As you can see right there, this one. Snap that back in place, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all in. Great. Now I'm gonna get this back up and put the case back, put the side panel back on. Quite heavy. So to get the side panel back into place, you will see these little cutouts on the side panel. They have to align with these tabs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs, and there's 5 cutouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just align it and slide it in. That's all you do. Then just get it in and just slide it in like that. And let's get the screws back on. That's 1. That's 2. That's basically it. Okay. Thanks for watching.